Okay, so in this video now, I want to show you how you can create something like this. I actually created this, but I want to add more images. So we're going to do it from scratch, so you can see how I did it. Okay, so create a new page, go to your uploads, then you get the images you want to use. I have some images here I would like to use. Um, yeah, this image is one of them. This image is one of them. Okay, so I'll just remove the background from the image. I may not use that. Let me just see if I can use this one instead. This one with red ground, red cloth. But this one is the background has been removed. So this one with red cloth, I want to remove the background. After removing the background, I want to bring another image. Yes, this image. I want to bring this image in. I want to remove the background of the image too. Then which other image again will I want to use? Which other image do I want to use? The other image is already in the other picture on the other design, so we're going to pick it from the other design. But let me see if there are images I've not sent here. We might need to send it here. Okay, I like this image too. This image. So let's remove the background. Yes, I like this image too. And this one. Let's remove the background of this one. Okay. This one too. Let's remove the background. You know it's a movie poster. So we want to make it as interesting as possible. So the main character of the movie is a lady in this picture. So I'll just bring her, I'll copy it from here, just Ctrl C, then I'll come here and paste it. Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Okay, so I want to click her to the back. Before I arrange, just go to back. Then I want to arrange all the others. This lady is one of the characters. These two fighting, I want to take them back. Take them back. Okay, let's take them to the back. Yes, I like it that way. I want to remove this image. I will not need this anymore. Not remove, not that image. I want to remove this one. Yeah, even this one too. I'll just remove it. Then I want to crop this part away and leave only this one. This one is showing ring. I like this image. I want to increase the size. Just drop it here. I like this image too. I want to crop out these parts. Crop out these parts. Then I want to increase the size too. Okay. So let's arrange them now. I always like to arrange my pictures before I do any other thing because pictures is the design. Okay, so I'll take this one to the back, click on position backward, position, take it to the back. Yes, it's good there. Then this one, I'm not thinking it should be there yet. Let's just bring it down and see. We'll arrange it. I want this one to go behind her too. Position to the back. Okay, so it's good here. Yeah, let's be up. To be up, to be up like that. Let it cut a face like that. Okay, I also want this picture to come down. Then this should go up. Yes, this image I want to reduce. Let's reduce this so that it doesn't interrupt us from carrying anything we want to carry. Reduce this. Okay, so I want to bring this here. Correct. These two can be here. Yes, let's go up. Let's increase the size of this image to be up here. Okay, sometimes I like it to be chaotic so that it will be intensifying. People will want to watch the movie because of the way the arrangements or the images and the whole thing is. Sometimes I like to make it minimal. This one in particular, I want to make it chaotic. I like this ring, this lady's phone thing here, and where it is. Then I'll bring this image of these two fighters. Sorry, let me quickly move this. I'll bring this image of these two fighters up. So click on position again, front. So I'll just bring it here. Okay, this same lady that is fighting here is the one that is showing ring here. So let's take this one up a bit. Let's take it up. No, I mean up. Yes. So like this. So I think I'm done with my design if you ask me. I'm done with my design if you ask me. I'll bring this up. This one should go. This one should stay here. Yes, is what I want. So the next thing I want to do is I want to blend these images to the background. I want to blend them. I'm reducing the size. Let's zoom back so we see the whole design at once. This space here is too much, so let's drag it back. Let's drag this one to back. I'm thinking of bringing this ring lady to the top of the page. Okay, I'm thinking of bringing her somewhere here, but it will block a lot of things. Okay, that piece is fine too. I don't need to move the picture under her to the side. Okay, so all the pictures will be up, and then the write-ups will be down. That's what I want to do. I want all the pictures to be up. So let me reduce this one a bit. It's contesting with the main character, which is this lady that is here. So I want to bring this one to down a bit so it won't block anything. This one should be here. Okay, I want to drag this up. Yeah, let's just be there like that. These two up. These two I want it to be up. I want them to be at one line. This one two up. Okay. So I don't want this to be white. I want it to be black. I'll just click on this color here and then make it black. But I don't want it to be purely black. I see the way it is here. I want something like this background. Let me even carry this background. I'll carry this background. I'll copy it. I'll just copy. I'll come down here and I'll just paste it. Ctrl V. No, I didn't copy it. I copied everything. So let's click on it. Copy. Ctrl C. Then you come here and Ctrl V. Not copy. Why? Okay, let's right click on it. Then click on copy. Then come back and Ctrl V. Ctrl V. Yes, I've pasted it. This is what I want. Okay. So at this point, I want that light. Yes, so I'm zooming in. I just double click on it and zoomed it and done. I just want that light effect. Okay. Yes. So what I want to do now is if I want that light to show more, I can actually select all of them here. Just click on shift, then use your mouse to pick the images one after the other. Use your mouse to pick the images one after the other. I've done that. I want to bring it down a bit, so I'll just click on put it drag no, because select from image. Shift you can select this image. Go down a bit. I can group them to G. Or just simply click on this three dots here and then look for group and group it. If it's not here, let's highlight it again. Highlight, 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 highlight. I've highlighted all of them. I group here. Just click on group or just do Ctrl G. Do all group. So I want to just drag them down a bit. That's what I just did. I want that light to show. Okay, just down a bit. Centralize it. Okay. Then I want to bring a black gradient. I want to put a black gradient here so that this edge of the image will not look obvious. Okay. So I'll just go to element. I'll search for black gradient. I'll use it for black gradient, or you search it and you see it. All black gradients that are here. Click on all. You see different black gradient. I like this one. I like it. Well, it's covering some images. So I'll reduce the size and just use wisdom to cover up the down parts. Okay. Duplicate. Drag it to this side. I want to still reduce the size so it doesn't cover that image of them fighting there. Okay, arrange it until you get what you want. You can better still move this image up. I want to ungroup, move this image up, just move it up a bit, then increase the down part so that it doesn't get blocked. Okay, duplicate this one again, bring it to this end, drag this one back. I'm just using black to cover up the whole stuff. Okay, I'm not liking the way the arrangement is. So let's use the round one. I'm deleting. Let's use this one. This round one. It might give us one more. Yes, this is what I want. Duplicate, drag it aside. So sorry, I Ctrl V, Ctrl D, drag it up. Ctrl D, drag it up. You see, if it is your Photoshop you're doing, you just use your brush tool to brush it, but here you have to manipulate. There's another way you can do it, but I don't want to do it one by one. The other way you can do it is to use your app, the image blender app. Okay, use your image blender to do it, but this way look easier for me. It look easier, and then it also look general for me more than using image blender on all the images. Okay, so I want to just keep this here and to move this one closer a bit. Yes. Now I want this image to come up. This image of her showing ring because it's already blocking her ring. I want it to come up, so I'll click on it. Remember we grouped it, but we have ungrouped it. So this is the image. I want it to come up a bit. So I'll just increase this down part. Yes, this is what I want to do. Okay. So I don't want this line to show, so I will bring in more gradients. Just bring it there. I want the down part to just be black. Let it just be black. Just increase it. Can duplicate it. Yes, I want it to be pure black. You see what we have? Our design is coming alive. Okay. Our design. I want to adjust this background. Just move it up a bit. And the red, this will be there. Click on done. This is what I want. Okay. So our design is coming back gradually, coming alive gradually. So I want to apply blur to this image background. Let's zoom back. I want to apply blur to the image in the background. So click on it, then click on edit. If you click on the edit to edit image, let's go back from here. Click on edit image. You see magic layer, magic edit, upscale. We're looking for blur. You click on see all, you see blur. This is blur here. You just click on blur. Then you can click on whole image. I want to blur the entire image. So I just want it to be lightly blur. I don't want it to be too much. Yes. Something around this 15. Yes. 18, 15. Okay. When you're done, you cancel this and continue. See the way it's looking beautiful, right? So the next thing I want to do is I want to bring my title. The title of the video is what about me? I like this here, but it's looking too childish for me. So I just want us to bring something more unique. So click on text. Then you scroll down and select text from the array of text that are arranged here. Okay. So you can choose any one and use, or you can decide to create your own fresh. Okay. So I want to just get something unique from here. I like this text. Let's see if I can use it. What about me? So let's change this. Let's ungroup it. Yes. And change this first one here to what about me? I like it the way it is, but I want to change the colors. I like the boldness of the text. Let's remove this special here and then bring this down a bit and change the color. Okay. What about me? I want the color of this text. Let me just say, I want the edge of this text to be something like this yellow color up here or this brown color here. So if you click on it, you see effects up here. Click on effects. Then you come to the effect. This is the effect that was applied on it. You click on it, you will see the option. You see the thickness. You can reduce the thickness. You can increase the thickness. Immediately I click on it, change to this color. Alright? But you can change it. You click on it, you can change it to any color you want to change. You can change it to any color you want to change. This was the color that was there before. You can change to any color. You can even pick color from your design. Click on this plus here, then click on this pen here, then you go to your design and choose the color you want to use. Not like that. Okay. Then I want the main color to be white. I want the what about me to be white. So you click on it, then you click on this text color here, then look for white. I like it. I want it to be off white. I don't want it to be clearly white. Okay. I think I like this. What about me? The question. So let's put the question mark. What about me? Okay, what about me? I want to move our image. Okay, sorry. Okay, these three images are still selected. They are still grouped together. I'll be four of them. Only this one is outside. So I want to bring this. I want to take this one up. No, not this one. I want to take the image up and group it to the other so I can move them all together at once. Okay. So I'll select it, select these ones and Ctrl G. I'll group them together. So this gradient I'll say I'll move it up again to cover up the edges of the image. Okay. So at this point, I can move these images all up at once. Yes, I can move them all up at once. I've done that. Okay. So at this point, I've gotten my text. What about me? And there are other texts I want to add. I want to add the film by blah blah blah. I want to add all this. So I can just copy from here. Just copy from here to avoid waste of time. Just copy from here. Just select all of them and copy them at once. Okay. I want to also bring this based on True Life Story. If you want to get those tools, you can go to your element and get it. So I'll just Ctrl V. All right. And I want to bring this one down. Bring this one down here. Latest film. Bring this one. I want to bring this one here. And this one can also go up. Let's just be somewhere here. Or let them all be in one side. Let them all be in one side. Okay. I want to arrange them here. Latest film by based on a true life story. Latest gospel film. Okay, this image, these names, I can bring it up and zoom in to see what you are doing. Just take this up. I want this to be up. And I want to reduce the spacing between the text. Click on this advance here and just drag it forward. I don't want it to be too long. Okay. I can just bring it to this side and probably change the color to black so that it can show. Okay, it's better. So I can just bring it here. Then I can arrange this name, treasure. Just put it on top here. Juliet, endurance. Let me arrange them equally and bring this Juliet down here. Okay, I want to bring this through here. I want to drag it onto forward. Okay. Okay, so these are the name of the actors. I didn't carry the logo. Let's bring the logo. This is the logo here. So let's remove the logo from here. I want to just move it so I can pick the logo. So just click on the logo here, just copy it, and then come here and paste it, Ctrl V. You see where it's pasted. So I can just pick it up from there and just drag it here. Okay, here's the logo. I want them to be central. So let's arrange it to central. Okay, that film production. All right. I want to close up the space in between them so that I can pick that logo alone and drag them to where I want to drag them. So I can even group them together. Okay. Group them together. I want to make them centralized to each other. Okay. Pick this, group them together, and then move them all at once. All right. So I have this already. Okay. I have this. I have this. I like this. Yep. This. It's okay. So the next thing I want to do is I want to arrange these ones. Yes, a film by James Lopaji. Right? Since I still have space, I can just bring them here, bring these ones here to balance it. Orientation matters a lot. And there should be alignment in your design. There should be alignment in your design. Make sure you have alignment. Whatever you're designing should have alignment. Okay, let there be alignment. This and this should be aligned. Alright? So I'm good. want to ungroup it and separate this image away a little. So I'll just click on it and ungroup. I want to move that image sideways a bit, just a bit, and then bring it down to looking to B or 2. Okay, it's fine. I want to also move this one away a bit, the main character, because I want to increase the size of the main character, which is this lady here. I want to make her bigger, not because of that name there. I want to make it like this. It's fine. It's fine. I want to move this one away a bit, move it away a bit. Let's still move this one. Let's still move this image out a bit. Let's move this one out a bit. Okay. So this write-up now is looking like it's not clear again because this image is there. So I want to just move them to the side, or probably put the logo this side and put the write-up the other side. So I'll just put the write-up here. So I'll make it 2 lines. Okay, adding film production. I'll still close the space in between the text. Close the space in between them. So I can bring the text this way and then put the logo that way. I'm simply increase the logo. Can I use it? Just reduce it. Can put the logo this way. Reduce the logo. Alright. Okay, that's good. But there's a chaos here. These write-ups are looking too chaotic. It's making the design look one kind. Okay, so instead of that, let's just drop them on their bodies. This is Madam Treasure Ega. This is Juliet John. Let's keep it on her body. This is Chooks Odi. Let's keep it on his body. And this is Endurance Oche. Let's keep it on her body. This is better for me because that was looking too chaotic. So I want to reduce the name again. Don't reduce it. Let it not be too big. Or let it come after the logo. So move the logo to that side. So that is design. You have to keep improving on what you are doing until you get what you want. Okay? You're not confused. You're just trying. Sometimes you even finish this design, you duplicate it, and then you start afresh again. Adjusting until you get what you want. Okay? Don't just be satisfied easily. That's why you're a creative. As a creative, you must play, you must be curious, you must try things and make sure you get them before you proceed. So my design is ready. I've gotten what I want. I want to move this hand down a bit. Alright, I want to just move this one somewhere here so it can show well. I can actually give the names outline. So let's click on effect. We can give them a shadow, like something like this. Yeah, give this one to a shadow, like a black shadow. This is some kind of better. And give this one to a black shadow. Give this one to a black shadow. They all have a black shadow, that's why they can show well. Okay, so this is that. I'm done with this design. If I don't want this black, I can bring another color. I can search for another gradient. I can click element and just search for maybe brown. Why am I writing capital letter? Is this brown gradients? Search. See these gradients. If I want it, I can bring it in. I bring it in, drag it down. I can rotate it 160 degrees, or I can flip it. Let me show you how to flip. To flip it, you just click on this. You can flip it vertically. Then you can drag it up and then increase the size to cover up the space you want to cover. Then you can position it backward. Just keep doing backward until it doesn't cover nothing. No, it has gone beyond where we want it to be. We want it to be on top of the black. But you want to let's say you want this side to look brownish. You can leave it like this. If you want this side to look brownish, you leave it like this. Let's zoom out to see what we have done. You see that? You can have something like this. But if you want this whole ground to look down part to look brownish, you can click on it and click in position forward 1 time. See? You forward it 1 time. See what you have. Can you see what you have now? It looks to me like a better design because of this brownish look on top here. Okay, I see it. This is actually beautiful. It is actually beautiful. All right, it's actually beautiful. So we can export, or we can still work on our images. This woman's image, you can start to brighten it. Click on edit click on edit, adjust. You can decide to increase the temperature or reduce the temperature as the case may be. You can also brighten the image or reduce the brightness, whatever you want to do. You can increase the contrast. You can increase the highlights, reduce the shadow or increase it. You can reduce the whiteness or increase, make the black parts look more dark. You can increase the vibrance. And you can reduce the saturation or increase. Look, I like the way saturation is looking. This, I like the way this one is looking. So, but I also like to have more saturation on my design. So let's leave it at 0. Let's leave it this way. Then I can also work on this image. The same thing. Reduce the brightness, the darkness, increase the whiteness or reduce the whiteness. Add more shadow. Add more shadow or highlight or reduce. Increase the contrast. You want it more brighter or darker. That it doesn't look saturated. Let's increase the saturation. Let's increase the saturation. Let it look more red. Yes, I like that. I can move this away. Yes, I see the image. Let's control it. Not done. Edit. Click on edit. Adjust. You can increase or reduce the temperature and all that. Okay, I'm done with that image. This one, I want to reduce the saturation. It looks too red. Just reduce the saturation a bit. Increase the vibrance. Make the image have the dark part to be more darker. Then increase the shadow. Increase highlights. Depending on how your picture look is, this is I'm saying they are not a law. You keep playing it with them until you get what you want. Okay. Then I want to also work on this image. This image look dark. This image of this our gradient that we added covering the image. So let's drag the gradient down. We'll bring it back. Let's just move it down so we can see pick our image and work on it. Edit, adjust. I want to increase the temperature, reduce the temperature. I want to increase the brightness. Yes, I want the image to be brighter. Increase the contrast, increase the highlights, reduce the darkness, increase the vibrance, saturation, like this. Then what again? What again? What again? What again? What again? Yes, yes, yes. I think that image is fine. You can see increase the brightness a bit. Sharper clarity, sharpness, right? So that's that. I can actually increase the highlight also. I like what I have already. So let's click on this one to use what she's pointing the guy. Let's also work on it. So increase the shadow. Increasing the shadow makes your image brighter. Reducing it make it darker. You see that? So whatever you want, just keep seeing what you are doing and working on it. Don't just do it blindly. Be doing it and be watching your image to see how it's looking. Okay? So I want to increase the vibrance. Let's reduce the saturation a bit. I don't want to be too much. So let's leave it at 0. The sharpness, let's increase it. Clarity, increase. Then white, make it more white. Contrast, increase contrast. And this is fine. You are done. Click outside. Okay. So this is what we have. Our images are looking better now. So I think when you out, gradient that we put, that our brown gradient is not here. So let's bring it back. It's somewhere here. Just drag it up to sit well. So this is our design. This is what we have finally. Okay. So final outcome. So we're going to save the design now. Let's save the design. Save the design. Click on share. Then you click on download. Click on download. You can actually click on this icon down here to see the full image. But that means you have to see everything in this design. But I don't want that. I'm just dragging it to the last image. Drag it to the last image on our timeline. This is the last image. This is our image. You want to see it, as a whole. So you know what you did is okay or it's not. See this image. I'm going back. Okay, so let's download. Click on download. Then change this to MP, JPEG or PNG, whatever you want to save it as. Take it to the last. Then current page, done, download. Okay, wait for it to download.